Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Well, we're starting to see some visibility reductions as that wildfire smoke rolls into West Michigan. Visibility down to 5 miles in Mount Pleasant, Muskegon, and South Haven. Still at 10 miles in Grand Rapids. Now, these aren't numbers that are going to necessarily be terribly noticeable, especially at nighttime. But as you head into the day tomorrow, you'll certainly notice a milky appearance in the sky. And again, that's because of that wildfire smoke. That's what we're tracking for tomorrow. Air quality alert in effect. We then transition to the potential of some strong to severe storms during the day on Wednesday. Increasingly hot and humid for the rest of the week with heat indices pushing 100 degrees at times. So a fairly active next 4 or 5 days. A live view out of Grand Valley's campus in Allendale shows if you look under the streetlights, you can see some of that haze that's settling in. Combination of some haze and some fog possible in spots overnight tonight. A wider view shows that smoke trickling in from the northwest. And now that winds are going calm in many spots tonight, that means that smoke can kind of settle into West Michigan. It's going to hang around through much of the day tomorrow. Storm Track Live shows dry conditions out there. 71 in Grand Rapids, 69 degrees in Kalamazoo, 65 in Holland and South Haven. Dew points up to the mid-60s in Grand Rapids, other spots sitting in the upper 50s. Humidity going to become a bigger factor for us toward the end of the week as we see dew points rise up into the low 70s. Smoke futurecast for tomorrow shows that through much of the day, we're expecting that smoke to hang around. It's not until Tuesday night to Wednesday where we see some noticeable relief. Skies become more blue than milky. However, Wednesdays when we're also expecting the most cloud cover, so it may be hard to spot. Futurecast shows as we head through the day on Tuesday going to be sunny. Again, may not necessarily appear that way at times because of the smoke, but we're not expecting as much in the way of shower activity as we've seen over the last few days either, so most spots should be dry. As you head into Wednesday, forecast gets a bit more interesting. We track the chance of some showers and storms during the morning. That chance reinvigorates itself during the afternoon. And it's not until late Wednesday evening where we get the storms out of here. Storm Prediction Center has introduced a level 2 out of 5 risk for areas south of the line from Saugatuck to Jackson. Level 1 out of 5 risk for areas south of Big Rapids. So just about everyone has the chance of seeing a stronger storm. Greatest threat appears to be down toward the state line. It's something we're keeping a very close eye on as we head through the next 24 to 36 hours. After that, focus turns to the humidity. Dew points warming into the low 70s, borderline oppressive. And again, this is what could push those heat indices close to 100 degrees, especially combined with what we're forecasting for highs. Your 8-day shows upper 80s to near 90 tomorrow and Wednesday, low to mid 90s Thursday and Friday. Notice though, this heat wave is fairly short-lived as we see much more pleasant conditions settle in, lower humidity, lower temperatures by early next week. So a busy next 4 or 5 days and then conditions settle down for us.
Yeah, looks like it. All right, thanks, Blake.